Total economic losses from disaster events in 2016 were the highest since 2012, reversing the downtrend of the previous 4 years. The same was true of global insured losses resulting from disaster events. Economic losses were $175 billion in 2016, up from $94 billion in 2015, and global insured losses were $54 billion, up from $38 billion. Earthquakes, storms, floods, and wildfires caused extensive damage across many regions in 2016. The events that caused the largest insurance losses were an earthquake in Japan in April, Hurricane Matthew that formed over the North Atlantic in October, and severe storms and extensive flooding across Louisiana and the Mississippi River Basin in August. Some communities hit by disasters fared better than others because of high insurance penetration. For example, the wildfires that engulfed vast areas of forest land across Alberta and Saskatchewan in Canada from May to July last year caused total economic losses of $4 billion. In this case, 70% of the losses were covered by insurance, meaning that households and businesses in the affected areas were better able to recover from the shock and the destruction inflicted by the fires. However, underinsurance against catastrophe risk remains a reality in many parts of the world, in both advanced and emerging markets. Globally, the shortfall in insurance relative to total economic losses from all disaster events, in other words the protection gap, was $121 billion in 2016. You can access the latest Sigma about catastrophe events in 2016 from the Swiss Re Institute website. The report also includes a special chapter about the underinsurance of flood risk in the US.